Nathan, give us a wave, bro.
Hang on.
This is my dad's car. I'm selling it to these boys. They are going to resurrect it. Jock, if you're up there, he would be ashamed of what I've done to this car. But anyway, it's done. This is where it came from.
What's going on, you Honkadorians? So here we got a VL, we're restoring it. Pretty rusty, but what is it? Interior's nice.
Very clean. Roof line is still good. Not bad, that's all just surface shit.
Come over here. Nice little rust hole.
Yeah, so we got first rust hole there, which is only sort of that corner, which is good. The rest is pretty good. Boots closed. One sec. Tiny little bit in that corner, but that would only be a tiny little plate to fill in. Boots absolutely shagged. We'll pop that in a minute.
And that's a nice breather for your feet when you drive. Keep you nice and cool.
But, yeah, that's all fucked.
AJ, please.
Sorry. Yeah, it's all cooked. Just need new carpet for in there.
We've got more rust here. I'll do it with some tape. It's good.
All door cards are good too. Just missing the ashtray, which we got some of them. But yeah, interior is actually pretty good. A little bit of rust there. But
so if you use a cane on this, it's going to be
yeah, all that there.
a lot of parts. You're not even listening to me.
Oh, sorry.
If you use a cane, there's going to be a lot of videos building this. So
Yeah, we're going to have a lot of videos out, episodes.
Nice
Part 1 will be out tonight, so
nice.
But yeah, a lot of rust we got to fix, but it's going to be a good project.
Show them the fucking...
Pop the boot, please. And pop the hood too. Pop the hood.
You smacked it.
Oh. Hang on.
Oh. No problem. Yeah, she's buggered.
Oh shit. No, all good. Pop the boot.
Yeah, it's a diamond in the rough, it's alright.
Grab the key so I can show him the boot.
Oh yeah.
Got a bit of water in there, which is always good. But no, it's going to be a good restoration. If you're keen for all the videos on it.
It was nice enough to give us this with these keys. Pretty cool, huh?
Very nice. It's actually a fashion pack.
It's going out of fashion.
Yeah. But we got it for a bargain, so. But yeah, the boot's seen better days. So, new boot floor, cut out sections of here, all that's cooked too. Nice nudge bar.
I think I might keep that on.
Yeah, but other than that, it's going to be a good build, so stay keen.
Yeah, hunky-dory.
Hunky-dory. Make sure you turn the notifications on so you see when a new video's out. But yeah, we're going to fuck off home and get it unloaded.
It's going to be a good one.
Yeah.
See you guys. It's seized.
Yeah.
What are you doing here, Damon?
Just pump the tyres up a bit so she rolls a bit better. Just have to free that back wheel up because it was all seized.
Yep.
But she'll roll pretty good now. So
Yeah,
push her off and, you know, honky dory.
Hunky Dorian.
Hunky Dorian.
Nice.
Yeah. Right, we're doing a bit of fiddling here. We're not getting any power to the fuses. So I've just pulled everything apart and this inline fuse was burnt out. Which that's not going to help anything. That's one of the main powers in for the fuel pump. So that's why it's not starting. So we'll fix that. And a few of these wires have been snipped off under there. So got to figure out where they're going to and figure that out. So these are a known problem in the valves, these burn out, so we'll fiddle around with that wire. And then we will see how we go. Right, a little bit of an update. We've got it in the shed, as you would have seen in the last video. It's got it up off the ground. Tested a few things in the engine bay because a few wires are off the fuel pump fuse and whatnot. Fiddled around with that, but it's all got power now. But the fuel pump and sender aren't getting power to them, they're getting power to them, but they're not working. So gonna pull them out. I think I've got a spare one here, if it's shagged. So we'll fiddle around with that for a minute and hopefully get it started. Righto, can't see a whole lot under here, but thought I'd show you anyway. So it's taking this sender unit out of this tank because they are, what do you call it, known to let go if they're just sitting for years without getting used. So we'll pull this out, and I do have two spare ones. They're not brand new, but they do work. So if this is shot, we'll be able to put a new one in, or not new, but another one in and test it and see if it's that, or it could be this external pump as well. But we'll get this out and we'll have a look and test it and see how we go. Right.
What's going on, Hunky Dorians? We're back. We got it home. We found a few surprises in the diamond. We'll
Yeah, quite a few. So
do we show them off with the worst?
no, we start with what we knew about. So there's the front window, which we knew about. All the body we were going to fix. It was going to be fine. But, you know, pulling all this shit off, find more rust.
We knew about the boot as well.
Open the doors, you see all this, which old mate was pretty good about it. He told us all the rust and everything. So, no hate to him at all, but, you know,
It is what it is.
it is what it is. Yeah, one of them ones. Other one.
Alright, so we knew about this as well.
Yeah, we knew about this. We're just going to get a new boot floor for it. Yeah, that's all I've got to say. very fucked. But this was a pretty easy job. I was going to get a new boot floor, but we found this whole quarter's pulled apart in the main pillar. So that would have needed a lot of repair, if not a new quarter.
Obviously the roof, that's just...
Yeah, all this. All the roof's just surface rust.
Where'd
But,
you put my beer?
fuck knows. Oh, get out. Sorry guys, we've got a bit of a... Get out. Get out. Right. Alright, we'll...
Get out on the BL.
Motherfucker. Sorry, we got shit everywhere at the moment, guys.
Little pond in here.
Yeah, we could probably add some goldfish in here and that'd be right. Yeah, a few holes under there. Carpet's fucked.
Oh, did you show them that?
Oh,
On that side?
nah. This one's another good one, which we didn't really know about all this sort of stuff. Yeah. Quite the good one there. So yeah.
And there's also...
That floor's got a hole in it. Haven't showed you this one yet.
This is another good one.
Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, that's a good one. Which we knew about all that. But we didn't know about something else under there, which we're about to show you about.
I reckon we show them the grand finale.
No, there's another one.
Oh, there's another one.
So you go to lift your bonnet up, and she actually this one wants to fall out. So both hinges are all snapped off the main support.
Big hole there.
Just can see it. Not
Should have got
really.
a torch for him.
Yeah, all in there. Yeah. This guard, which I had new guards for it anyway, but yeah, just all this little shit adding up. It's not really going to be worth our time fixing it because we'll show you why. But now you get under here, so you can see actually up there into the interior. But this is the main problem here. All rusted out and pretty much unrepairable. Yeah, too big of a job for us for what we're with at the moment, so probably just gonna part it out and start with something else. So we're back here with the VL again. I just thought I'd give you a bit better of an update on what's going on with this thing. We picked it up pretty cheap last weekend. Got told and shown about the rust that was in it, and we're happy to fix all that. Like there was rust here, there's rust down in them brackets for the bonnet hinges. Didn't know about any of this till we pulled the strip off. Didn't know about any of this until we started getting all that off, which that's all fucked. We knew about this, or the back window. The whole boot's rusted out. I won't lift that, but you can probably see from under here. That whole boot needs a new floor, which we knew about that. We're going to fix that. Just all this little shit. But yeah, we started getting all the carpet out to fix this piece here, and found there, which you could probably see, that chassis rail's completely gone. That whole back floor's rusted out. Get out of the way. But yeah, pretty much the chassis are right off unless we spend hours and fucking hours fixing it. That's it there. That's the same on the other side, so I don't know, we could fix it, but you got to get it all certified and everything, and we don't really have the time, the space or money at the moment to be doing that. So this one's pretty much going to go to scrap. Just going to rip everything good off it, and we're picking up another VL this weekend, so stay keen for that one. So we'll put all the good parts on this. off this onto the other one and start building the other one. The other one has got a bit of rust in it still, but nowhere near as bad as this. And hopefully we should be able to use this shell for some rust cuts and whatnot. So yeah, so I'll give you a bit of an update of what's going on, because we posted this everywhere, so you're probably wondering what's going on with it. But yes, that's about it. There's going to be some more videos of this one soon. Yeah, stay keen, and yeah.